back to my channel. It's winter now. I also kind of wanted to do a little bit of a warm look, and I am kind of satisfied with it, so I hope you guys like it, and if you guys want to learn how to do this makeup look, just keep watching. So I'm going to be using the 𝗀𝗱𝗃𝗀𝗃 palette, and I'm going to take this lightest shade right here and apply it as a base. Next, I am taking this kind of lightest brown shade, and I'm going to be using it as a base, and I'm applying it very high up into my eyelid. And I'm just using very light amount and light strokes for this, so I don't want it to get too dark. And I'm also taking a little bit to my under eyes. For my aegyosal, I'm just going to use an eyebrow pencil, and my aegyosal is going to be kind of closer to my eye in the fronts, and then kind of make it fatter as I go. I'm just going to end it right here and then kind of blend the line out with my finger. Now, taking a flat brush, I'm going to take this middle chocolate color, and I'm kind of building it into the fronts of my eye and blending it upwards. I'm also building it into the end of my eyes. And then lightly blending it up. And then also out. And I'm also using the same color to line the middle of my eye, but this time I'm not going to build it upwards. Now I'm going to use the same brush and the darkest chocolate color, and I'm going to use it to line my eye. And I'm kind of doing small taps. And then I just lightly bring that outwards, kind of like eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my ring finger in this shimmer shade, and I'm just applying it to my eyelids at the center. Now, using an angled eyebrow brush, I'm going to take this brown color, and I'm going to use it to line my bottom lash line. And I'm going to fill in this area right here and bring the color downwards. With the same brush, I'm going to take the middle shade again and just darken the line right in the middle of my eye. I kind of want it a little darker, so I'm going to take that darkest brown shade and again with the same brush, I'm just going to take this darkest brown and I'm going to sharpen my inner corner. And then I'm going to line the middle of my lash line again with that dark brown color. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and I'm curling them left, right, and then normally, just so I can clean up the way my lashes are facing. Now I'm going to apply the Dr. Mascara Fixer. And curl my lashes again. Now I'm using the 𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 mascara, and I'm just applying it to the tops of my lashes first, and then working the way into the base. Now I am heating up a toothpick I'm using it to clean up the mascara and just making sure that my curl holds. Next, for my bottom lashes, I'm going to use the 𝗺𝗀 mascara. And I'm just applying it lightly to the ends of my lashes. And then I'm using a pair of tweezers to put together my bottom lash. And then I'm going to use the toothpick again to curl the lashes downwards. Now I'm going to use a black liquid liner for my eyeliner, and I'm just following that line we drew with the eyeshadow earlier. And then thickening it at the base. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Benefit brow pencil, and I am just filling my brows in a kind of round shape. And then fill in the front very lightly. And for my blush, I'm going to use the 𝗺𝗱𝗶𝗹 Pure Blush Sunshine, and this is in 𝘀𝐻𝗀𝗏 brown. And I'm just using my favorite blush brush, and I'm going to apply it kind of at the ends of my cheeks. I'm also going to apply it to my nose bridge right here. And then the tip of my nose. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Hourglass Ambient Highlighter. I'm going to take a bullet brush and just apply it to the tip of my nose and also my nose bridge. I'm also going to apply it to my inner corners. Just blend it out in my brow bone. Now taking a flatter brush, I'm using the highlight and I'm just bringing it down my cheek to give a little bit of a glow. For my lips, first I'm going to cover up my lip line with the same combo that I always use. And for my lip color, I'm going to be using the 𝗺𝗀𝐴 Crème de Rose tint in the color 𝐶𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬. I'm just applying a little bit in the center. And I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And using a brush, I'm lifting my lip corners. And then that is it for this look.